Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, just tap on this icon right here. Once in settings, select sound and vibration and then tap on ringtone right here. Here we have two ringtones or three ringtones, like default ones I think. And you can also tap on all ringtones to open the list of all ringtones, and here we have system ringtones. You can listen to them by just tapping on one and selecting it. You can also tap on it again to pause it. And you can listen to all of them. So let's start from the top. And that's all of the ringtones. Below we have alarms, so we won't listen to them. Okay, to change the ringtone, just select one, for example this one, and then just go back. As you can see right here, the ringtone changed. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.